Hello everyone and welcome to this week's blog. I'm Alicia and this is James over at Matex Gears. And each week we get on the blog just to answer important questions about planetary gears and how Matex Gears can help you. And in this specific video, we're going to be answering the question, why are planetary gears so important? But first, James, if someone's watching this video right now and maybe this is their very first time watching one of our blogs or the very first time visiting your website, can you tell us a little bit first about what is a planetary gear?
Yes, we can do that. Thank you, Alicia. Let's just go with most motors run at 1725 RPM, and that's just generally speaking. There's all kinds of exceptions to that. But you need a way to either slow it down, reduce it, or to speed it up. And planetary gear is a lightweight, efficient, small dimensions it can be. To handle that problem, you have to increase torque. That's just so in a planetary gear, what you have is an input and an output on the same axis. The input goes into a sun gear, which rotates the planets. That's held in a ring gear, and the planets are coupled to an output carrier plate. So that's what drives planetary gear itself. And that's a very simplistic view of what a planetary gear is.
Perfect. So now I said we would be answering the question, why is a planetary gear so important?
Well, I mentioned it a little bit already, but a lot of times have space considerations, and a planetary gear is a terrific way of reducing that motor RPM, very, very small dimensional package. And it's great for doing that. It's also a very, very efficient way of transferring that torque, where we're looking at 98% efficiency in a planetary gear at a first stage. So that is one of the main reasons. Sometimes our people just turn them around and increase speed. And we can also do that in planetary gear and on top of that. So, there's just a myriad of uses for them. We have them in medical equipment, in robotics. We've just sent a whole bunch of gears to NASA for the next lunar rover. So, if you've got any type of application where you need to have a very efficient, lightweight package to handle what you need to make your invention work or your product work, well, then give us a call and we'll be here to help you figure out exactly what we can do to supply you with gear that fits exactly what you need.
All right, well, thank you so much for answering my questions today. And as James said, if you are looking for planetary gears, if you have any questions at all, make sure you reach out to them, give them a call. They can help you with anything that you need. And thank you for addressing why planetary gears are so important. They're really all around us, even if we don't see them. They're used in so many applications, as you said, medical. That's very clear why that would be important, and all of these scientific advancements. So if you're interested in learning more about Matex gears and the planetary gears that they provide, you can also check out the rest of our blogs. We post weekly blogs that answer questions similar to this and talk about the different products that Matex Gears offers. And we are looking forward to seeing you back here next week. Thanks for watching.